Welcome back to the channel. It is mid-January. It's about 3 or 4 degrees. It's pretty cold. This is the first ride out of the year for me since just after Christmas, so it's nice to get back out on the bike again. And today we're off to the highest town in Derbyshire, Flash. I'm going to go and visit the Flash Bar Café, get some breakfast, maybe fly the drone if I can, and just go out and enjoy the roads. It's a Friday, so no doubt there's going to be plenty of Muppets on the road, as there always is on a Friday especially, but we'll see how we go. Anyway, enjoy the ride. So some upcoming videos I'm in the process of making at the moment. Dashcam and Android Auto CarPlay system to replace the Lanto screen that I've got on at the moment. There's nothing wrong with the Lanto screen, it's been working really well, but it'd be nice to have front and rear dash cams just in case anything was to happen. At least I'd have the footage to cover the incident and portion blame where it's needed. But, yeah, so today it's when I first set up it was 3 degrees. It's currently showing 4 on the speedo at the moment. I've got a nice pair of long johns on, keep my legs warm. Got my Kaisita jacket and gloves on, both of them on low settings, and I'm nice and comfortable at the moment. I can feel the wind around the helmet and the cool breeze, but it's not affecting me at all in the slightest at the moment. I was considering getting some of the Kais trousers to match the jacket and maybe the socks, but we'll see how we go. If I don't need them, I'm not going to bother buying them. So for you guys watching, are you still riding? Do you go out in this weather? Do you ride all year round, or you just prefer to ride in summer? I used to be a summer rider. Well, pretty much all my biking career has been, or career I should say, all my time on a bike, it's always been summer riding. So sort of September time, October, the bike would go to bed, wouldn't come out until probably March. But last year I decided I wanted to be a blood biker. That means riding all year round. So that's what I've done. I've kept up with the tax on this to keep it road legal throughout the winter, and I still go out on it when I can. Obviously if it's raining, then I don't go and get it out. I don't particularly like riding in the rain, although I do ride in the rain for blood bikes. I ride in all weathers, whatever they need. If I'm on shift and the weather's bad, then tough, get out there and get it done. But yeah, I wouldn't choose to go out in bad weather on my own bike, really. No doubt after this is going to need a damn good thorough cleaning with all the salt that's on the roads at the moment. I mean, the back wheel wasn't particularly great beforehand. I'd not cleaned it properly last time I took it out. But yeah, it's going to need a good clean today. Wanted to come out on the bike for sort of last week, but work commitments and weather has sort of prevented that. There's no point coming out trying to film in the rain. It's just water dropping over the lens. It's not a nice place to be. Purpose is also tried to keep my head steady and not look everywhere. One thing about me is I'm always looking around. That's probably why I've not, touch wood, not had an accident so far. I'm always head on a swivel, and I'm conscious that it does make footage a bit choppy and probably give you motion sickness. So I'm trying my best to not move my head too much. But you'll probably notice that the head's moving all the time because I'm always in the mirrors. It becomes second nature now. I just struggle to stop doing it so much. Obviously when I get tired that slackens off a bit, which obviously shouldn't happen, but it does. Sold my last piece of Blackbird equipment yesterday. Had the blue screen that I took off, got rid of that on Facebook, so that is it. It's all gone now. And to be honest, although the Blackbird was a fantastic bike, really great to ride, nice and comfortable, I don't miss it in the slightest. I love this GS. Just everything I could ever ask it to, and it's comfortable. A good job I'm getting a new screen. That one's getting really loose now. There's a pain in the backside. You have to take the screen off to fasten it back up. It's not got the correct mount on it, that's why it's moving all the time. Hopefully a nice new one will hold its position better. Box, is it use? No. More speed crammers, you're already doing less than speed limit, pal. Get off your brakes. Jesus. Yeah. So I've just had the drone out, got a little bit of footage. It might not be great, I'm still learning how to use it properly, but if it's any good I'll stick it in the video. We are not far away now from the Flash Bar Café, which is great because I am starving. Coffee, breakfast and probably a cake as well, because why not? Right, we're going here. Not that way. Look at the scenery here. It's a shame it's so cloudy. I'd love to live in one of these houses. Ramblers. The Winking Man. Be interesting to go off down to the left there and explore. There's loads of cheeky roads down there. 2 miles to the Flash Bar. Well, signs for the village of Flash. Here it is. The highest village in Derbyshire. Okay, that's the Flash Bar. Let's get off home. Should have cleaned my visor while I was in there. Didn't think. Oh no, I can't see. Let's go down here. Greasy still, so we're hammering down here. down here? Let's have a look. No idea. Should we go straight on? Yeah, let's go straight on. Look at this view, it's amazing up here. It'll be so much nicer in summer, but it's still great now. Let's get some pickies. Whoa, back end out there.